This is Mark Carrington from markcarrington.com. This is a quick review video on Kevin Fahey's new product. It's an information product called the Easy Repetitive System. Product is being launched on July 28th and on a dime sale, and it's running until August the 2nd. I'm going to start with the JV page. So the product's called the Easy Repetitive System. I'm just going to whiz quickly through the JV page to give a quick outline of what the funnel looks like. The core product is an information product, is a training product, which is a mixture of text-based and video-based training, and it shows the system that Kevin Fahey has used to build his own 6- and 7-figure businesses. So his businesses, for example, in IM checklists, and his more recent product called Premium PLR reports. And it goes through the processes of how it is that he's able to produce content on new products on a very consistent and a regular basis. I'll go into that a little bit more. So I've been given review access to the product, so I've actually gone through the training programs, but I'll come back to that in a little while. The first upsell, or OTO number 1, is called Project Restart. And this is a product that Kevin created last year, and he was answering the question, what would happen if his whole business was taken away and he'd have to start again? So he'd have to go through a restart process. So it's step-by-step video training that goes through what he would have to do to start building a new online marketing business. It's a very good training program, and particularly if you are new in the field, this is a good tool to start with, and then go on to the Easy Repetitive System to start creating your own products. The upsell from OTO number 1 on Project Restart is a series of interviews that Kevin did with a bunch of internet marketers, some of whom you will have heard of, and many of them you won't know at all. So in this list here, I know Adam Payne, for example. He lives in Japan. The Chad Elgizer, he does a lot of work in self-development, but also has been working on coloring books with his daughters. Neil Napier is a well-known name in the industry. Stephen Alvey is one of the leaders in video PLR. Tiffany Lambert is one of the leaders in text-based PLR. So those are people that I've purchased product for and had good success with. So that's OTO number 1. OTO number 2 is access to a large suite of Kevin's VIP training. He's been doing VIP training and coaching for quite a long time. And this is a big library, 6 years worth of high-ticket coaching that would cover pretty well everything you need to know to have success in internet marketing. The downsell from OTO number 2 is 8 of he calls them the essential 8 of his most recent and best information products. So if this upsell number is a bit big, this is a good way to get the kernel of what really works in Kevin's business. OTO number 3 is the biggest PLR blowout sale ever, which he ran a little while ago. Is basically he put together all his PLR that's in his library and jammed it all together into a single product. At $314, that feels a bit steep, but there is a massive amount of value, particularly as PLR product, so you can actually convert it into your own products and sell it for your own right. The downsell from here is the IM checklist trial. Kevin releases 1 or 2 checklists every month, and you can go to a 7-day trial for $3 to get access to the 2020 volumes, and then at $17.95 a month. And I'll come back to those because I'd like to talk about how he is able to produce products so rapidly, but I'll do it by showing you. So just a quick summary of that funnel. So I'm here in Warrior Plus. So the front end is the easy repetitive system that at $19.95 going up on a dime sale. The first upsell is Project Restart, which is a similar type of training, but maybe just stepping back a little bit to first principles for internet marketing. The upsell on that upsell is the interviews, the internet marketers interviews, which were part of Project Restart. And if you choose to the downsell the next upsell is IMVIP training, which is a high ticket product. And then there's a downsell on those. If that feels a bit steep, is grab the Essential 8 combo package. And then the next upsell, so OTO number 3, is the biggest PLR Blowout sale at $314. And then the downsell from there is the IM Checklist Gold membership. Now I'm going to go across to the IM Checklist Gold membership. I am a member, so I've got it open here. I'm at the home page here, and these are the 2021 releases. So as you can see that I am a member because these boxes are now alive. So this is what has been released in 2021, and the topics are hugely relevant to building a business, but they cover a very wide range of things. So consulting, securing your content so that if you're running a membership, for example, split testing optimization. So that's really detailed. List engagement is how to get people to open your emails and keep opening them. KDP and pod consulting, digital agency startup, tripwire offers, and then version 44 is coming soon. So you'll notice, so we're sitting here in July, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So he's basically releasing one a month, and version 44 is coming out very soon. And of course, we're talking about 44. There is a long list of these going through so volume 1 is product creation. So basically he's almost gone full circle. The easy repetitive system will build what was on in these volume 1 product creations. Now the question one asks is, and this is ultimately what the easy repetitive system does, is how is Kevin able to create products at this quality, this consistently, and this frequently? And that is the art of the easy repetitive system. So I'm just going to step into the easy repetitive system training area. So you can see here I've got access to the training and also Project Restart. I bought Project Restart some time ago. Oh, and there's a welcome video. There's a module 1. Now, somewhere in here, there's a list of all of the training modules. So you can go, you don't have to page all the way through them, although you do need to know what the topics are. So I've actually done the work for you. I have done I've gone through the list of the modules. So module number 1 is just an introduction. 2 is niche research, and included in that is a long list of niche areas that Kevin has identified for you, so you don't have to do your own research. You can just pick one that you've got a passion or interest in, that you think you can create products and start working from there. Planning out your funnel. He talks a lot about the funnel, so the process of creating a front end, the first upsell, the downsell, etc., and particularly building towards recurring income products. Organizing your team and the work environment. This is a neat module where he talks about what's worked for him and what hasn't worked for him, and how he has currently got a mix of outsourcing and his own work to get things working on the areas that he's good at and that he's not good at. And he then walks through a complete easy repetitive system funnel setup, which is a work through example. And the example he uses is that checklist number 44 on the topic of Bing ads. So he actually shows you by doing his work how he does it. I found that module easy to follow because I use the same page builder that he uses, which is Convertri. I do not use the same WordPress theme that he uses. He uses Thrive themes, but I could follow what he was doing in the WordPress section as well. If those page builders are not familiar to you, you will find it'll take you a little longer to get used to what you have to do, because you've got to internalize it for your own page builder. Module number 6 is about market research, is about how to find the materials that you need to go into your niche product areas that you're going to work on. Staying ahead with new offers is talking about his process of how he creates offers and how he builds on offers and how he bundles things together to create new products for new offers. Module number 8 talks about traffic and promotions. There's some interesting different ideas in there. So, for example, on how to get better leverage out of solo ads. He then talks about evergreen marketing methods, and you'll notice that in this funnel for the easy repetitive system, there are a number of products that are readily available at different times through the year from Kevin Fahey. And then the last module is a set of case studies. I think that when I saw it, there were 2 case studies when he basically walks through how he created. So, for example, how he created PLR premium reports, how he started that program, and then how he builds it out and how he's able to produce new product in that series every single month. So that's a summary of what's in the program. So here's the sales page. I just want to go quickly down here. He talks about the elephant in the room, and Kevin Fahey has been involved in internet marketing for a very long time, and what he's noticed is that there's no shortage of people out there selling product, but there are very few people actually teaching and showing how they actually do it. It seems to be a mystical secret that everyone wants to keep to themselves so that no one can find out what they actually do and then can knock them over. And that's what he is all about. And I've already covered what is in the product. So a series of text-based trainings, video-based case examples, and the resources that you need to pick up and to deploy to build a successful business. Now let's just talk about bonuses. Now I have put together some bonuses. Here's my bonus page. I'm in the process of building it. This video will go in that slot there. And the bonuses I've put together, the bonuses are designed to help you. I'm going to whiz back to the words that I wrote here. To be successful, you've got to be productive. You have to have the right mindset. You need to build a list. You need to know how to do email marketing, and you need to write good headlines to get people to open your emails. So my bonuses are helping you with all of those things. The first bonus is membership of the Product Profits Club, which is a series of trainings on how to create your own product. So that absolutely supplements what the Easy Repetitive System does. The second bonus is about building a success mindset. So if you do not have a success mindset, the first rock in the road that you hit will derail you. The third part of success is increasing your personal productivity. To do this, especially if you're doing it on your own, is you've got to be productive. You need to manage your time. You need to have the energy to keep going, and it helps to improve your memory so that you know all the things that you've got to get right to deploy, repeat, copy, and test. The fourth bonus is helping you establish the strategies for building your list. So this is a strategic report on building the list. The next bonus goes into actually helping you drive your email marketing. So to build your email marketing power. So email marketing is the heart of success in online marketing. And then the next bonus is about writing compelling headlines, is getting people to open your emails or to read past the first paragraph of your sales page. And I've chosen not to add in a whole series of bonuses on copywriting, because one of the tricks or suggestions that Kevin makes in the training is to outsource the copywriting for your sales pages. And then all you need to do is write really good headlines to get people to your sales pages. And then the last bonus is that I've added in a free membership to Surefire Wealth Silver membership, which gives you access to a series of products for which you can get private label rights, but more importantly, for which you can get giveaway or master resale rights, so that you've got a library of materials for lead magnets or to create your own products. And this library covers internet marketing subjects, but also more general subjects like weight loss and yoga and things like that, which are on Kevin's list of niches that he highlights in his niche research module. And if I'll just summarize then the bonuses. So the bonus value is $373, which is a nice multiplier on your 1995 entry. It applies irrespective of which product you buy. So Silver membership of Product Profits Club. Build a success mindset, increase your personal productivity, list building expert, email marketing power, write compelling headlines, and a Surefire Silver membership to give you access to product for your own business. So that gives you an overview of the funnel, of the product, the funnel, my bonuses, and why it is that Kevin Fahey has been able to build 6- and 7-figure businesses around 2 or 3 broad internet marketing topic areas. I appreciate your time and your attention. You've been watching my quick review of Kevin Fahey's Easy Repetitive System.